You're probably watching this video right here because you have credit issues, and you're probably also scrolling through YouTube trying to figure out a way to repair your credit. But never fear, because I have the real solution. I have real credit repair and real credit repair results in this video right here. As you can see, everything on this credit report was deleted, and these results are not from years ago. This result right here is from what? 1/10/2023. As you can see the date right there. I don't care what it is on your credit that needs to be removed. It can be a repo, credit card, bankruptcy, what have you. I don't care what it is. I used to say it was game over when you received a 30-day late, but as you can see from this right here, we were able to take a 30-day late and make it so the payment is now current. Now, if these are some results that you would like to see, feel free to text the phone number on the screen, 702-530-9799.